Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting together this budget-friendly Father's Day gift basket using only items you won't believe I got at the dollar store. Okay guys, so here I have a Reebok deodorant and body spray. And as you know, the body sprays can be used on your entire body, so I definitely thought this was a great buy to add to the basket. So guys, look at this brown pouch. This was about $4 and change, and I thought this was great for dad to carry his toiletries in if he's traveling. He could also use this to store or carry his shaving accessories, and the quality, guys, it was definitely a great quality product. I saw these t-shirts, guys, and they had them in different colors and with different dad quotes on the front. This one is a men's medium. It says best dad by par, pun there. And I thought this was great, and you could also feel the texture and the quality, and it felt really good, so I decided to get it. And it's also 100% cotton. The dollar store really did its thing with these ones. I really love it. So this next item is for the dads that are handymen. So it's a tape measure. It's 66 feet long. It has a handle at the back and some other features. I saw this Dad Off Duty bear mug, and I thought this was really nice. It was $2, which is a reasonable price. They did have regular mugs or teacups, but I just wanted to go with something different. I also grabbed a card. These ones were kind of like 3D on the front, and they all had different messages as well. This one has the tools on it, and as you can see, the inside has a lot of space for the kids to write their dad some special messages. I grabbed some tissue paper that I will be using for stuffing, and this is the basket that I will be using. I really liked that it looked very rustic and aged, and also I wanted to throw in some of Dad's favorite candy, so feel free to add some of that to your gift baskets. To start, I'm going to be adding the tissue paper to the bottom of the basket just to give it some height. You don't want to have your items too low in the basket. I've added my stuff into the basket, so now it's time to add the items to the basket, and feel free to arrange or rearrange your items to get the look that you want. I wanted to open the shirt so you guys can see how it looks. I really love it, and as I said, the quality is very, very good. I also really loved the colors of the print that was on the front, and I can definitely see Dad rocking this on Father's Day or even after Father's Day. I'm just going to be doing a quick fold, and then I'll be adding it to the basket. And the final items are the candies. So the candies are the final touch to the basket, and I think it looks great. I really, really love it. Honestly, this does not look like a dollar store basket. I made a bow to add to the basket, guys, and I'm just going to show you quickly how I made that bow, and this burlap ribbon was also from the dollar store. I'm going to be using this cellophane bag. It comes with the tie and there were 3 in the pack. Guys, talk the truth. Does this look like it was made from dollar store items? I think not. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and I will see you in the next video.